Okay, so now we are at the cPanel. So right now we are going to look at how to create an email account, how to change PHP version, and how to install WordPress. These are the three important things that we are going to do. So let's start. So to create email account, come to, you see, just go to the platform and locate email account. Click on that. Okay, so here you see this. Don't worry, you can create a new one. Okay, so here this is the domain. So I will just enter the username, or that will be info. Okay, so I can just enter info or admin. So info is okay. Then the password, I want to enter my password here. Or I can just generate some. Okay, so let me click here to generate a password. Let me close it and generate it. Oh, come on. Okay, so I've done that. Okay, good. So first let me copy the password. Okay, so I've done that, and let me close it again. Good. So I can just click here to create, and it's done within some seconds. Okay, so this is my email account, info@irradarblog.xyz, info@irradarblog.xyz. That is a domain-based email account. I can check my email by clicking here, meaning if you want to log in, that's where you have to click. Let me take you back. If you want to log in to your email account, just click here and it will take you to this place. Let me close that. Here, make sure you check this one. Okay, just check that and click open. Please subscribe to this channel, like, comment. You can even share so that others can also benefit from this course. Okay, good. So we are on our dashboard. So with this settings, when you look through this, it will help you on how to log in on your phone, on your Android phone or something of that sort. So just use this to log in on your phone. Very simple as that. Just an instruction on how to add this email account on your phone, so that as soon as you receive message, you get a notification on your phone. Okay, so over here, in case if you want to send a message from this platform, you can click here compose, and I can send message from here to my account, and from my account to that. Okay, I wanted to do it, but I don't have enough time to do that. I can change the color to make it dark. Okay, that's very simple. Okay, good. So let me click here. Good. So for now, I'm done with the email creation. Now let me remove this. Let's go back to our cPanel. Okay, so I want to go to the front end of the cPanel, so I'll just click on the logo, and now I'm back on the cPanel. Okay, good. So I've created the email account. Now let's look at how to change the PHP version. The reason why I want to show you how to do that is because for some instance, if in case you want to create, it may happen that you wanted to install a plugin, and the plugin may requested a certain PHP version, okay, or memory limit. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, so let's come back down here and locate PHP selector. Okay, so just go down here and let's locate PHP. Okay, this PHP selector, click on that. Okay, so we are here now. The default PHP is 8.2. okay, 8.2. that's the default PHP. In case you don't want that, you can go with the current one. 7.4 is okay, and 8.0 is okay. Okay, good. So you can go with any of them. I don't know if I have to maintain that, but let me maintain this one. That is 8 point that. Okay. Okay, so after that, I would advise you to select this. It's very, very good. And then we also have, okay, this one sometime. Okay, so let me remove this and then go with this one. There's another one. Let me show you. Oh, the files are too many. I'm trying to locate it, but Okay, so it may happen that it's not here because I'm trying to locate it and I can't. Okay, so this one, you can just check this and you see this one is okay. Okay, good. So, and that is, we have changed the PHP from 8.2 to 8.0. Okay, good. And here too, you can go to options. That is where you can change the memory limit. So let me show you the default memory. So okay, so the default one is 512, which is okay. You don't have to change it. Okay, the 512 is good. It's good. You don't have to change anything here. And then input. Okay, so this one, I think the rest is okay. Good. Yeah, the rest is okay. Okay, so that is what I can do about changing of PHP and other stuffs. So let's go to the dashboard again. Now we want to install WordPress. So to install WordPress, go down here. You can use this one, okay, or you can use Softaclos. Or you can use Softaclos. I'll click on that. And over here, you can click install. Okay, so you see the domain has been selected. Make sure this one is on. It's two things. You have to go with the one with X HTTPS, or you can go with this one. The two of this, please don't select any of them, because when you do, you won't get the SS certificate. Okay, so I want to go with this one and make sure here is empty. And after that, you can fill this part. Here I want to enter a radar the guitars. Okay, and then I will hide this and generate new password. Or I want to, let me enter my own password. Okay, so I've done that. And you have to create an email. So the email that we created was info, but this one is admin. So you can decide to create another email and make it admin at. But right now, because I've already created an info, so I will put the info there. And here is not that important. You can change it at your WordPress dashboard. Okay, so I'll go down here and click install. And within some minutes, just 1 minute or some seconds, about 10 seconds, yes, now it's successful, as you can see. So we have successfully created, we have successfully installed WordPress. Okay, so I can just click here to log into my WordPress dashboard. It's very simple. Okay, so I'm on my WordPress dashboard. So far so good. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Please subscribe to this channel, like, comment. You can even share so that others can also benefit from this course.